Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make money from YouTube and Facebook. If you want to start earning online, then this video is for you. Make sure to watch till the end, because I'll share all the ways to earn step by step. How to make money from YouTube. 1. Ad revenue. YouTube Partner Program. Requirement: at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. Once approved, ads will appear on your videos, and you'll earn from them. 2. Channel memberships and Super Chat. Your loyal fans can subscribe to your monthly membership. During live streams, viewers can send super chats, which directly bring in income. 3. Affiliate marketing. Place product links in your video descriptions. For example, in the USA, Amazon Associates is very popular. If someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. 4. Sponsorships and brand deals. Brands pay creators to promote their products. Even small niche channels can land deals from $100 to $500. How to make money from Facebook. 1. In-stream ads. Just like YouTube, ads can run on your Facebook videos. Requirement: 5,000 followers and 60,000 minutes of watch time in the last 60 days. But currently, Facebook is even giving monetization more easily if your videos get enough views. 2. Stars, fan donations. During live streams, your audience can send you stars, which convert to real money. 3. Facebook Reels bonus and ads. Reels are the hottest trend right now. If your Reels go viral, Facebook pays based on the views. 4. Branded content. Companies pay Facebook creators to promote their products. This can also bring in good income. YouTube versus Facebook. Now the question is, which one is better? YouTube or Facebook? YouTube is better for long-term growth and evergreen content. Facebook is better for viral short content and quick earnings. Many USA creators actually use both, uploading short reels on Facebook to bring traffic, while posting longer videos on YouTube. Tips for the USA market. If you want to target the USA, here are some tips. Pick a niche: fitness, cooking, tech, finance, etc. Be consistent. Upload at least 2 to 3 videos per week. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions. Focus on quality. Use good lighting and clear audio. Don't miss shorts and reels, because short videos are going viral in the USA right now. Real example. Let's say you have a small YouTube channel with 5,000 subscribers. If one of your videos gets 100,000 views, you could earn $400 to $600 just from ad revenue in the USA. If you also add Amazon affiliate links, you could earn another $200 to $500. As your channel grows, this can easily become a full-time income. So friends, that's how you can start making money from YouTube and Facebook. The earlier you start, the faster you'll grow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And comment below, which one would you like to start with? YouTube or Facebook? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.